today's video, we will see how we can create Adobe Reader package in Microsoft Intune. Okay, so let's Adobe Reader from Adobe website. Okay, so we will simply go to Adobe site and download this Adobe Reader. So you can uncheck these add-ons. Okay, and just simple, make it like a simple Adobe. Okay, do not install this McAfee security add-on. So I did downloaded this and let's create one folder. So we will have that package in a separate folder. Let me take Adobe Reader. I will paste that. Okay. So in order to install this Adobe as a exe, we need to have a installation command. So I will be using a PowerShell script here to install the Adobe installer. So we can just simply test this, run as administrator. Okay, so I have this very simple PowerShell script which will start the installation process of, it will just start the installation of Adobe. Okay, so I gave an environment variable execution path from where the Adobe will be execute the installation. Uh, if the test path is equal to write installer. So if there is no Adobe in the same directory, then it will give you the error message. Okay. Also, we can exclude this, but I want this for, okay, we can also just exclude it. We we are not going to check this. Okay. So I will put it very simple. So it will make things easier for us. So how you can test this? Okay, so let's say um, instead of the uh, short path, the environment path, we can do one thing. We can, for testing purpose, we can give the full path. Okay, so right now uh, I have here. I have this set of file. Okay. Mm, I will remove this dot and give the full simple command. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we can see that the installation has started. So the command is working. So we can cancel it. We don't want to install right now. Okay, so I will just save this script in the same directory where we have created a folder. Okay, install dot, no need to give the extension as it's already in pure PowerShell. Install is the one I'm going to use. Okay. Okay, so everything ready. I have it here. Okay. Before before running the script, I will change it from the local path to the global environment path. Okay. All right. So we can go ahead and create as a package now. Okay. So what Intune will consider this path is the same path from where we are doing the packaging, so we don't need to give the uh, we don't need to give the entire path. Okay, so before that, what we will do, we will change it. Okay, it's changed already. Okay, so we are good to run this, convert it to win Intune win32 wrap tool. Okay, cmd, go to the same location, cd. Okay, now here I will call Intune Win app util program. I will give the source folder. It's the same from where I get this. This will be install.ps1, the file which we are going to use. Okay, now the folder output path where I want to extract the Intune convertible file. I want this in the same folder. Uh, Catalog is no. Okay, okay, this run successfully. Now let's go back to our Intune admin portal. Go to Windows Apps. From here, create app. Go to Windows App 32-bit. Select package. Select the package from where we have converted. That will be our download and Adobe upload. So I will give a friendly name, Adobe Reader. Okay, Adobe Reader application. And how you can check the package version is just go to properties, go to okay. Okay, this gives me some different product file version, but if you locally install it, apples.cpl, it will be something 25. Okay, this is the version we want, 25.001.20 20756 2500. Okay, right. So we can give this information here. Adobe. I will not select anything here. The installation command, okay, I think it's popped up here. So I will use as a PowerShell. I will run the PowerShell as an installation command. So PowerShell execution policy bypass windows. Okay, so this will hide the errors, like it will give you the PowerShell is disabled on running this disabled on this machine, so it will bypass that and the file which we would like to call. Okay, so in our demo it's install.ps1. Okay, the installation command, uninstallation command, I will not provide because I do not want user to uninstall. Okay, next. Okay, I will here change no specific action. Okay, next I will keep it minimum OS system. Here as a manual configuration detection file rule, add. Here I will select a file from where the Adobe is going to trigger. So in this case, we will check the file. Okay, Windows program, Adobe DC, maybe Adobe. Okay, we can call this one. If you see, this version will be the similar version what we just saw. Yes. Okay, 25.1, 25.1. Okay, that is similar. Uh, this is the path, and the file name will be Acrobat maybe. acrobat.exe. The value should be string. So we will compare the, we will check the version greater than or equal to. Uh, it must be this one, what we have, right? Okay, very simple. Next, next, next. I will push it on all my devices. Let's do it on the Intune Windows Autopilot devices. It's a dynamic group. Okay, I will make it as a required. Okay, create. Okay, so I will just make sure that my system is synced properly. So this will take some time to push the policy and make the application available. I will just pause the case. I will just pause the video and let's see. Okay, this is our um, Windows 10 test machine. After a couple of synchronization, we can see the Adobe is installed successfully. Okay. Yep, looks good. We will see if that gives the login credentials option or not. It shouldn't give this, but let's see. It might just pop up, but you can just cancel it. But if you try this in Adobe DC or Pro, it won't let you sign, do any action without sign in. Okay, that's it. Okay, all good. This is all for today. Thank you.